How to add a size chart to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to do it, you have to go to your online store and then you have to tap onto pages. Simply tap onto pages, and then after tapping onto pages, you have to choose up your products. Also, you can, here you can see, you can just create a product. You have to enter the descriptions of it. You can enter, you can select products, for example this one, you can add it. So that's it. Now you can see view all options. Simply tap onto the save option and then tap onto you view all. So from here you can enter your product name. You can choose up your products. Let's go back to our product section. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, this one. So I'm going to tap onto this product, and from here you can see this category and etc. So from here you can see the template. I'm going to choose it to gym template, and here you can see some, so let's turn it off.
And I'm going to add a collapsible row page, and we're going to select once this is in here, we just need to click, and we see here, and just our product pages. So for every different size chart you have is for each one. I'm going to be creating a size chart.
So after clicking onto, okay, so after clicking on this side, here you can see three dot icon. Then from there you can insert table. You can insert multiple tables from here. For example, like this, you can insert some tables. Just keep insert some tables, and from there you can insert some row. Then you can insert some rows, keep inserting, and then you can insert some columns from here. As you can see, now you have to enter the size. For example, I'm gonna copy this size from here. I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Then I'm going to type the sizes, for example M, and then L, then XL. Then I'm going to choose it over here to XL, and then you can just save it up. So this is how you can add a size chart very easily without any coding knowledge to Shopify store. So this is also, you can do it. Also, you can go to your app store and you can upload and download an app for it. So this is it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.